Okay, so I'm just going to show you this Foxy's Games or Foxy Casino. They've had a daily Slingo bonus, which they've had for about a month, I think, and it's been really, really lucrative. Now, unfortunately, it is coming to an end, but I've seen that they've had this offer on before, the exact same offer, and they'll definitely have it on again. So, if not something extremely similar. So it's always worth knowing how to do it. So all as it basically is opt in each day, play £10 or more on any Slingo game for a £5 top up. And if we scroll down the terms and conditions, the bonus only has got a 1 times wagering requirement. So that's great. Now, I don't like Slingo. I don't know anyone who does. It's quite time consuming, but we can make it a little bit quicker. So I'll show you that as we go through. So firstly, obviously, I'm just going to opt in. Now, for this offer, you do need to make a fresh deposit every day, even if there's money in there from previously. I'm just going to put... So I've deposited £10. I've opted in. So I'm just going to go on to games. Now, you can choose any of the Slingo games, but they're very time consuming. They're not very exciting, and they're a pain in the arse, basically. So the best one that I found is this one. It's called Slingo Real Extreme. The reason that I find that one's better is it's more like a slot. Well, it is a slot rather than a Slingo game. So it's a bit quicker. It's a bit quicker to play. It's still much more time consuming than a normal slot, but it's quicker than the other Slingo games. So we have to wager £10 in order to get our bonus. So I'm going to do 5 lots of £2. Your stakes here, if you wanted to be really quick, you could do 2 lots of £5. Obviously, you're more likely to the variability. You're not more likely to lose, but the variability is going to be much higher the bigger your stake is. If you want to keep that as low as possible, you can do 10 £1. But just for quickness, I'm going to do 5 lots of £2. So you set your stake to £2, click this. Now for each spin, or for each £2, it spins 5 times, which is why it's more time consuming. But I don't know if you've ever played Slingo on some of the other games. You have to click for each one of these spins, and a lot of the time there's 10 spins, and yeah, it's just really not fun. And I would probably only do them if there was, for a bigger bonus. But the EV of this one, I remember exactly off the top of my head what it is. Let me just check. Give me a second. Okay, so this is going to be the third lot. It's funny, like obviously now I'm recording, I'm not winning anything. I've had a couple of really good wins from this. So this is the third one. So let me check the EV. For the Foxy Games one is £4.25. So it's not bad. It's probably taken me about 5 minutes a day, and I am up by a lot. It doesn't look like I'm going to be up today, which is typical. But we'll see. You never know. Still got 2 spins to go. I've had a couple of days where I've been up by maybe £60, £70, and then I've had several days where I've been down by maybe £8, £9, £10. But yeah, overall, I'm well into profit. As I say, this offer is ending quite soon, but they will do, if not this exact offer, something very similar soon. So you just end game, spin again. This is the 5th one. So my balance, I did have a little bit of money in there, which was left over from something else. So my balance when I started was £4.14, or after I deposited the £10, it was £14.14. I've got a little win there. That's nice. It's as a slot. The RTP of this one is 96%, 96 point something, but it's around 96%, which again means it's a pretty good EV on this offer. And it's very nice whenever you get a win, but again, it's very time consuming. Okay, so end game. I think as far as I can see, let's get rid of that for now. So I've done my £10. So what you need to then do is to go out of the game and go back into your promotions. So you'll find on Foxy and on a lot of the casino sites, actually, when you get a bonus, you have to go back into the promotions tab and actually opt into the bonus. So here you can see that wasn't there before. Claim your free £5 casino bonus. So we just simply click on more info, activate now, and then we can play now. So you've just got to play through your £5. So again, if you wanted to, sorry, I'll go back into that same game. If you wanted to decrease the variability and even out your wins and your loses, use smaller stakes. That just tells us here that we're playing with a bonus. But just for time reasons, we only need to wager £5. So I'm going to do 2 lots of £2 and then £1. And we'll see how we come out there. It's got a bit of a win there, so that's good. That's quite a nice win. If I'm honest, I don't really understand the pay tables on some of these, but it doesn't matter. It's EV. So we'll just wait for these ones to play through. Again, that's a £2 one done. So I'm just going to repeat that. That's a wagering of £4. Nice little win there. So this is probably coming pretty close, actually, to the RTP of 96. So, okay, so that's a nice win, £8.60. Another win here. It's going to take us up to £8.86 for that one, and then end game. So I've wagered £4. I'm going to go in and do just £1 for the last one. Just let those spin. Foxy's a pretty good account to have, actually. You find that there's quite a few offers that come up on here. I always ignore this bit, respin for X amount of money. It doesn't change the RTP of the game. I just find it's easier to keep track of your wagering. They're always odd amounts. It's much easier to just stick with the whole stakes. So there, we've played through the bonus. You're now playing with unrestricted funds. So got it, great. And we can see now that the balance is £21.10. And I started on 14.14. So what's that? That's a profit of £7-ish, just under £6.96. So yeah, just under £7. And that has taken probably less than 5 minutes. So yeah, it's an offer that's well worth doing. As I say, it's running until the 5th, but it will be on again. So learn how to do it. Yeah, made a quick profit.